Hi, welcome to another tutorial in Python. So in this tutorial we will continue on the list. So yeah, let's start. So here there is one more interesting thing we can do with a list. So that is list slicing. Okay. So now see, now I am taking like in the earlier tutorials, so we have discussed like how the help of indexing, so how we played with string. So similarly we can play with list also. So if you see, like let's say in the earlier tutorials, if you remember, like string equals to, suppose this is a string is a variable which holds a value of high. Okay, so now if I print, okay, so what it will print, so let me just run this. So see, this has printed high because so this has started from 0, first index which is 0, okay, that is h, and it has to print till the fourth index, but it has to step over by 2. Okay, so this is an earlier discussion. So if you don't remember, please go through my earlier tutorials. There you will be able to see extensive discussion on this topic. तो दिस लाइक ये अभी यहाँ पे ना 0 to 4 प्रिंट करेगा जनरली, बट यहाँ पे स्टेप ओवर बाय 2 जैसे दिया हुआ है, तो ये दो एक इंडेक्स छोड़ के ये प्रिंट करेगा. सो फॉर दैट रीजन दिस हैज प्रिंटेड हाई ओनली. ओके, सो नाउ so similarly we can work with play with strings, sorry, list also. So if I now just do like choose, add few more things to the list of Myntra cart, and then so now, so this is a list Myntra cart which holds couple of things like sunglasses, jeans, shoes, watches, and t-shirts. Okay, so now if I print, so what it will print, let's see. So it has only printed sunglasses, then jeans, then shoes. So 0 to 3 means it has to print like from 0th index, that is the first index, sunglasses, and then it will goes up to like jeans and till shoes, because this is technically third index only, and also like it has printed like we have to print till 3, so it will print like 0, 1, then 2. Okay, so 2 means 3 only. So if you are getting confused with all this, please go through the earlier tutorials, Python tutorials. So there we have discussed like how indexing indexing works. Okay, so yeah, so now so if I can also do one more thing. If you remember, we have also done this in the earlier tutorials of string. So I can do like this: start, stop, then -1. Let me just copy this. Okay, now if you remember, देखो ये अब यहाँ पे क्या प्रिंट करेगा, ये देखो इसने इसको रिवर्स कर दिया है. सो सिमिलरली वी कैन प्ले विथ लाइक द अर्लियर ट्यूटोरियल्स हाउ वी प्लेड विथ स्ट्रिंग्स. सो सिमिलरली we can also play with lists. So if you see here, so this entire list, this has already reversed. So it is starting from the last index value t-shirt and goes till up to the first index value, okay, which is sunglasses. So yeah, another one, like you already know that strings are immutable. So like if I take a string equals to, suppose, Nitya Prakash. Okay, if I will have to change it, string 0 equals to m, sorry, let me just put it in single quote, double quote. Okay, so if you see now here, let me just comment all this so that you won't get confused. So yeah, so now if I run this, you see here string object doesn't support item assignment. Why? Because string is immutable, but this can be achievable in list because list is mutable. So we'll see with example. Yeah, you see now. So let's just comment this. Okay, So now I have taken this list. Now I will try to do the similar things like Myntra cart, sorry, is 0 equals to, I will assign a value, let's say pen. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to change the first index, which is sunglasses, to pen. So let's see, can I do that? Print. Okay, so now if I run this, you see here what happened. Yeah, so now ये इसको बदल दिया इसने, so sunglasses को इसने चेंज करके पेन कर दिया है. ठीक है, so this is like how this is mutable, so we can change this. But in string, in the earlier example, we could not change that because string is immutable. ठीक है, okay, so now if I take a example of let's say I will take one more variable, new cart. Let's say new cart equals to Myntra cart. And okay, now see here, so Myntra cart 0 equals to we have declared as pen, and now we are like equaling this Myntra cart, we are assigning the values of Myntra cart to new cart. So now what I will do, I will print new cart. Okay, and I will print Myntra cart. Okay, so let's see what it will do. Okay, here actually first of all the Myntra cart value was sunglasses, jeans, shoes, watches and t-shirt. Now we have Myntra cart index 0 equals to pen. So now we are like assigning this Myntra cart to new cart, which is a new variable, new cart. So now we are printing both. So print Myntra cart भी प्रिंट कर रहे हैं और न्यू कार्ट भी प्रिंट कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी अभी ये क्या प्रिंट करता है. ठीक है, अभी आप देखिए. So now what happened? So it has printed pen, but if you see here, initially we have taken Myntra cart as sunglasses, but it has printed pen. Why? क्योंकि इसने Myntra cart को न्यू कार्ट के साथ इक्वल कर दिया है. तो दिस इज एक्चुअली completely assigning Myntra cart to new cart, and the Myntra cart we have changed it to pen. So फॉर दैट रीज़न ये इसने ऐसे इसको प्रिंट कर दिया है. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, मान लो ओके जस्ट 0 to 3 करता हूँ. ठीक है, अभी देखो ये क्या प्रिंट करेगा. नाउ इफ आई रन दिस, सो सी हियर दिस इज प्रिंटिंग लाइक न्यू कार्ट इक्वल्स टू till this much, till some pen, because pen we have already assigned to this Myntra cart value like index 0 equals to 10 pen, sorry. So now it is taking that and it is printing like 0 to 3. So here it didn't print like this value as Myntra cart, because this has printed pen. Why? Because this is creating a copy of Myntra cart, which is like new cart, and this is assigning values from 0 to 3rd index. So okay, so pen, jeans and shoes per new cart, because this is like this is taking the value of Myntra cart from 0 to 3. Okay, so and this is assigning to new cart. So now this value Myntra cart 0 to 3 is assigned to new cart. So for that reason now new cart is pen, jeans and shoes. Okay, but if you see why pen, because pen is Myntra cart 0 equals to pen. Here we have already declared that. Okay, but now if I print, when I printed like print Myntra cart, so Myntra cart has not changed, right? Because this Myntra cart is like we have initially declared as sunglasses, jeans, shoes, watches and t-shirt, but we have again changed it to pen as list is mutable. Okay, so for that reason this list is now changed to pen, jeans, shoes, watches and t-shirt. So for that reason ये इसने इसको ऐसे प्रिंट कर दिया है. बट जब हम लोग इसका एक्चुअली ये वैल्यू अभी इसको असाइन किया है, दिस न्यू कार्ट इज नॉट लाइक दिस Myntra cart is not getting changed. So बट यहाँ पे अगर मैं ऐसे कर देता हूँ, इफ़ यू सी हियर नाउ, सो नाउ you see, so the entirely like the Myntra card is completely assigned to this new card, and new card is also equals to Myntra card. So this has created entirely a new copy, like the same copy, and which holds the value of the same values of Myntra card. Okay, so for that reason this is printing like similar list. But like this, if you do indexing, sorry, if you do indexing here, let's say 0 to 4, so now I run this, so see here, this is printing from pen to watches till here, pen it is changed, and this one is printing the same whatever we have declared initially, and only this value has got changed. So yeah, I hope ये ट्यूटोरियल आपके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा और यूज़फुल भी रहा होगा. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. एंड प्लीज़ अगर ये ट्यूटोरियल आपके लिए यूज़फुल हो, अगर आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला है, तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कर दीजिए, डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. एंड yeah, that's all about it. I will see you in the next tutorial. Till that time, take care and God bless you all. Thank you so much.